Skate Mom's class.
Yay!
Cool. Welcome. All right, we're gonna start right here. I want you guys to try some flyouts off of the roll-in right here.
Oh, okay. All right.
It's something we can all warm up with, and then we're gonna take it to the quarter pipe. So remember, start back far enough for wherever you're at to get enough speed. Bending down at the bottom of the ramp, throwing your body weight up as you pump up the ramp and continue pumping up past where your back wheels go out of the ramp. The secret to flying out is pumping up past the coping or past the roll-in spot, okay? Big pushes, big pushes. There you go, set those feet, nice big pump. Bending down, snap up. Woo! Good. Big pump. Really bend down, snap up. A little too early. That was good, but it's a little too early.
Okay.
Remember, you want to treat your body like a spring, so you want to bend down nice and low to get a lot of potential energy. Really snap up. I use my arms too to help pull myself up. Keep pumping up through the ramp. Keep pumping up through the ramp, and then be nice and light on your feet so your board floats up underneath your knees, okay? As you get better at this, then you start to pull your knees up to get higher distance. That way you can clear and get your board up higher off the ground. You don't really need to jump higher, you just pull your knees up underneath your body. Ready? Big push.
Ready.
Nice deep pump. Really bend down, 1, 2, 3, yep. Ah, good. A little more forward, but that was good. Try to stay nice and light on your feet. Feather feet.
Feather feet.
Remember, Faye, you need a lot of speed. Lean into those pushes. Good. Set those feet in riding position. Big tuck, big bend. Really bend down, snap up. Good try. Good. Try it again. Try to get a little more speed. You're doing great. Almost. Kyle, a little more speed. A little more speed. Big bend. Good. Good. Exaggerate your pumping. Bigger, deeper bend when you roll in down the pyramid, and then bigger, deeper bend when you are about to roll up the roll-in to really throw your body weight up. Imagine that you're jumping over a fence or something, or you're hopping as high as you can. You really have to bend down super low. So bend down super low, then explode your power up, and then pull your knees up underneath your body. Come on, Yumi, faster. Really big tuck into that pump. Bending down, snap up. Almost, almost.
Is that timing off?
Timing's good, you just need more speed.
Okay.
Need more speed, yeah.
Okay.
And continue your pump up through the rolling.
Okay, okay.
Keep pumping up through that ramp. Bending down, snap up. That's better, that was better.
Almost.
That one got sketchy, but that was better. So keep lifting up, both you guys, keep pumping up through that roll-in, yes. Yep, keep reaching up and let that board float up underneath your body. Good speed, good. Remember, keep pumping up through the ramp. Keep pumping up. Bending down, big press. Bending down, snapping up. All right, check it out. No skateboards, everybody just stand. Everybody just stand normal. Stand like you're standing on your skateboard, but not on your skateboard. Okay, big deep bend, really bend down those legs and really snap and swing up. Exactly. Now notice the difference. You can do this again and repeat this. If you do it again, pull your knees up this time. So bend down, swing, snap up, and really pull your knees up underneath your body. Try to pull your knees to your chest.
Let's go. 1, 2, 3, jump!
Yay!
Good job.
Good job.
Good.
Do it again. Do you want to jump? You want to jump? 1, 2, 3, jump!
Good job, lady.
Awesome. So depending on how fast you're going, that determines how slow you jump up, you launch up. But no matter what, I want you to keep reaching up off of the ramp. Because a lot of people, the second they go over the ramp, they stop lifting up and then they don't come off the ramp much. So in order to come off the ramp, you need to keep that direction change lifting up by snapping and pulling your body weight up, 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 up. Yes. Almost like you're reaching for the basketball hoop. You know, you're really, yes, you're really reaching. Yes, you need to reach up. Yes.
I see. All right.
That's it. Tomorrow, that's it. Yeah. And then as you get more comfortable with that, then you pull your knees to your chest.
What?
Yes, exactly.
Jump!
Okay, cool. We'll try it again.
All right.
Everybody start back. Try to get as much speed as possible.
All right.
Remember, the ball's not going to leave the ramp unless it's going fast enough. Tomorrow, big speed, big speed. Heads up. 1, 2, 3, big pump. Really bend down, snap up. Good, much better. Much better. Kyle, big pump, really bend down, big snap up. Almost, almost. Up and forward, don't let yourself fall backwards. Up and forward. Come on, Faye, big pump. You need that speed, big pump. Almost, almost. So when you get stuck, if you get stuck like that, you need more speed. More speed. Remember, if you're gonna roll the ball down the ramp and you want the ball to launch off of the ramp, you gotta roll it fast enough. If you don't roll it fast enough, it'll stay on the ramp the whole time. Big tuck, bending down, snap up. Much better, much better. Okay, hey, you're doing fantastic. The next part of this is when you land, bend down nice and slow. Yeah, that creates that stability, and then it changes direction for you to sink your body weight down to give you extra weight to solidify landing on your board.
Got it.
Yeah. Come on, Faye, go fast. Setting those feet in riding position. Big tuck. Bend down, really snap up. Almost, almost, almost. Remember to try to stay forward as you snap up. Come on, Yumi, more speed. That's it. Come on, big tuck. Bending down, snap up. Hey, that was it. Good job. High five. That was it.
Good, good.
Come on, Kyle, more speed. Really set those feet, nice big tuck. Bending down, snapping up. A little more speed.
She's so gentle.
Yeah, you're being very gentle at the top. I really want to see you snap hard. Snap hard. So really explode that power, yes. Come on, Solji. Big tuck. Bending down, snapping up. Ah, almost, almost. Try to keep your feet equal. Not so much like an ollie, more just let that board float up. Nice light on your feet. Good, Faye. Good. Now as you build confidence, add a little more speed each time. Continue to reach up through that ramp. Come on, Yumi, more speed. More speed, more speed. Really tuck hard and pump. Good. Bending down, snapping up. Good. Almost. Keep lifting up through that ramp. Big tuck. Really bending down, snapping up. Hey, that was a little bit better, see? Good job. Come on, Tamara, big tuck, big pump. Really snapping up. That's better. Good. Good, Faye, good. So you can feel your body weight starting to come off the board, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and that's good. That means you're right on the cusp of having,
Jump higher.
yeah, but you need more speed. No matter what, it's gonna be more speed.
Okay.
So, but you're doing great, and you can feel your body. I saw that. Your body wants to start to come off of the ramp, right?
Yeah.
So let it. Keep pumping up, and then let your board float up underneath your feet. Then land by bending down
Should
and
I
pressing.
tuck my feet a little bit?
Say again?
Should I come up? Should I tucking?
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, just let your knees come up just a little bit. But the most important thing is, as you bend down and throw your body weight up, snap up, continue to pump up. Keep reaching up. Nice big tuck. Bending down, snapping up. Hey, much better. Ah, good, but not enough speed.
Okay.
Big tuck, big pump. Bending down, snapping up. Almost. Try to stay straight when you launch out. It's super important. If you ride up crooked and try to launch out crooked, your board will want to twist. Good.
Go, go, go. Let's go.
Next, we're gonna roll in. This is a classic roll in and then launch out right off of the quarter pipe. Really tuck into your pump, bending down, snapping up. Good. Now, she's doing fantastic, but as you can see, when she was in the air, she was still crouched down. So she's crouched down, but she's trying to let her feet come up. I want to see you guys straighten up in the air. Really snap up through, and you should be like reaching for the basketball hoop as you come off of that ramp, okay? Even if you don't land it, feel yourself launch off of the ramp first, okay? Then you'll get the feeling of the board coming up and floating, and then you'll build the trust to land and bend down into your landing. You did fantastic, but you can do better by continuing to reach up off of the coping.
Okay.
Otherwise, you'll get stuck at a certain spot and it won't.
Yeah.
Remember, I want you to reach for that basketball hoop.
Yeah.
So right when you come off of that ramp, your body should be long and then pull the knees up, okay? Keep reaching up.
Got it.
Awesome. Good job. Yeah. Big pump. Up, up, up and forward. Almost, almost. Really tuck into your pump, bending down, snapping up. Ah. Good, and that's the perfect example of what to do in the beginning when you first try a fly out or a launch out. You want to make sure to get your body up on top, so it's kind of like hopping off a swing. So you want to choose when to hop off of the swing and commit to it, so that you hop and your body lands in a safe zone, which will be up here on the flat. Otherwise you'll fall back into the quarter pipe, or you'll go straight up and then kind of land on the coping and stumble in. So jump off probably 6 inches underneath the coping to allow your body to get the right trajectory angle, so that you make a big arch in the air and then land on the flat bottom.
You can do it!
Good. Good. High five. Good try. That was perfect. That was her first time trying a fly out. So that's the way to build confidence. If you've never done this before, start with that. Make sure to wear a helmet and pads. And if you need to, stumble into a knee slide at the top. All right, Tamara, big push, set those feet nice and equal. Really focus on that pump and pump up through the coping, bending down and up, up, up. Good. Keep reaching up.
Yeah.
So here, do me a favor, hold the camera for me.
All right.
And then I'll show this.
Yes.
And then here you can see.
Oh, there you go. Okay.
So the whole thing with this is really getting the speed, and the speed is going to allow me to get the biggest launch possible. You don't have to launch super hard, but you do have to bend down at the bottom and really snap your weight up and keep reaching up. So back up a little bit for me. So I'm going to push, set my feet, big tuck, big pump, and I keep reaching up and forward. Keep reaching up and forward. As you can see with my hands, I keep my arms up in the air because that's the direction that I want to go. My arms have weight, they're probably like 20, 25 pounds each. So when I swing them, it creates momentum. It helps to pull me in that direction that I want to go. Thank you.
You're welcome.
You see how I got stretched out when I launch up? Exactly. So Superman. Superman in the air. Big roll and big pump, and you'll start to feel the happy spot where you launch off of the coping. It'll kick that board right up and into your feet. It helps to bonk your back wheels. As you get better at this, you bonk your back wheels by pushing on the tail lightly. Awesome. Awesome. That was really good. That was really good.
I told you you would be doing it just after this, but she already did it the second try.
Come on, Yumi. Take a deep breath. Remember, one of the biggest things to success when doing your launch outs is getting the right amount of speed. So when you're starting from the stop, really lean into your push and pump hard. Big pump. Good. Bending down and up. Ah, so close. Little more speed. Little more speed. And then you can start to adjust when you snap up and out of the ramp. Okay? So if it's too early, it'll feel wrong. Okay? But if you do it too late, it'll, you know, you'll just have to keep adjusting it to what feels best and what works best. Come on, Kaio. Remember, big push, big pump. Really bend down in the bottom and really snap up hard. Reaching, stay reaching up. Big tuck. Big pump. Ah, good, good, good.
That's a new trick.
So the scary thing for that is, did she pull her knees up underneath her body, right? If you don't pull your knees up underneath your body, you're gonna land all stretched out, and then it's easy because you're high center of gravity. So it's easier to fall and you don't feel balanced. You don't feel stable. This is where when you launch out, you let the knees float up. Pull those knees up and let the board float up underneath your body. Keep your feet light, feather feet, so that your board floats just underneath your feet. When you hit the highest point of your air, you start to extend your legs down to keep control so your feet stay on your board, and then you press your board down on the ground and then bend down to solidify your landing. Remember, big push, big pump. Big pump. And up. Hey, good try. Good try.
Wow, wow, that's awesome. Thanks
Good
for
try.
trying.
Good. Good. Big push. 1, 2, 3, big push.